Your exam is about to begin, but Examplify isn't working. One simple mistake could delay or even block your exam. Fortunately, using Examplify is easier than most students expect. So here's the complete step-by-step guide to using Examplify with confidence. First, let's know what is Examplify. Basically, Examplify is a secure offline exam application developed by ExamSoft that allows schools, universities, and professional programs to deliver computer-based exams. It actually locks down your device during the test to help maintain exam integrity while saving your answers securely until they are submitted. Check system requirements. Now, before installing Examplify, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements. Verify that your Windows or Mac version is supported. You have enough free storage, a stable internet connection to download and upload exams, and also sufficient battery power or access to a charger for the entire exam. Download and install Examplify. Download Examplify using the link provided by your school or testing institution. Then install the application, launch it, and sign in with your institutional credentials. So once you are logged in, allow the software to sync so it can retrieve your assigned exams and any required updates before the test day. Download your exam. After signing in, sync Examplify with your institution to view your assigned exams. Download the exam well before the scheduled test time and confirm it appears in your exam list, so you are fully prepared to start without delays. Then start the exam. So when it's time to begin, open Examplify and select your downloaded exam. Enter the exam password if required. Complete any identity verification steps. Review the instructions and click Begin Exam to start your assessment. Navigate during the exam. Now use the navigation panel to move between questions. Answer each one and flag any you would like to review later. Keep an eye on the timer. Use the available tools when permitted and review your responses before submitting the exam. Finally, submit the exam. After completing all questions, select End Exam and follow the on-screen prompts to finalize your assessment. Keep the application open until you receive a successful upload confirmation. Then verify that your exam status shows as submitted before exiting. BMH Expert Tip. Update Examplify, download your exam, restart your computer, and complete all checks before the exam day. Preparing early helps prevent last-minute technical issues. This was all. Thanks for watching.